Not too shabby. That's the first coat of paint. Hey folks, well it's Saturday and yeah, homecoming dances and all that garbage. But I'm also wrapping up a project here for somebody. This is a gift for somebody who's turning 60, and I was contacted to come up with some thoughts and ideas on you know, what would a guy like that's Jeep related. Don't talk to me about that, because it's going to be a hood or a grill. You know what I'm saying? So we settled on a hood. I happen to have one here, and as you've seen in the photos, we stripped it down. We did a little putty work on it, sanded it, had to drill some holes for the hood blocks because we converted a CJ to a hood to look more like an MB hood. Even though it's got the raised letters, it's still kind of cool. So what we're doing now is everything's been stenciled, and we're touching up some slight overspray on some of the numbers, and I think there's a small area by the star that we're going to deal with. So I've got leftover mixed paint that's still thin that we use. You know, 2 parts xylene, 1 part paint. It's the 33070 stuff, and I'm basically dragging my brush from the solution up to the stir stick to kind of get some of the thinner off, and touching up very carefully. So we're gonna work on that right now. Like Bob Ross says, you know, these are happy mistakes. little happy mistakes. And this little guy lives there. Use a soft bristle brush too. I ain't about the overspray. I like to over restore things. I know that bothers people, but I don't care. Alright? This is gonna make a red-blooded American very happy, I can tell you that. And we're all about making people happy. Looking good, my friends. Alright, a little mark right there. Whoosh, happy. Steady hands, folks. Every man cave needs to have one of these hanging on the wall. Or you ain't red-blooded American, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right. Take it easy. I gotta finish this job.